Hi everyone, I'm MisterWorker. The Black Friday season is here, and starting from November 10th, amazing deals are waiting for you. Don't miss the chance to save up to 60% on the best brands in professional tools, carefully selected just for you. From Facom to Bosch, DeWalt, Beta, Stahlvilla, and much more. But why choose MisterWorker? Because here you'll find a huge catalog covering every industry, from aerospace to construction, from automotive to electronics. We ship worldwide, offer customized quotes for large orders, and provide dedicated customer support to help you find exactly what you need. Additionally, we have Black Friday deals you won't find anywhere else. So, what are you waiting for? Visit our online store at MisterWorker.com and stay tuned to catch all the promotions of our special Black November. See you there.
MisterWorker. Work tools for professionals.